Do you want to turn off restricted mode settings on your TikTok account to access more mature content? This guide will show you how to remove this feature even if you forgot the PIN or passcode. To disable restricted mode, let's launch your TikTok app. From Profile, tap on these three horizontal lines to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and enter Content Preferences. There's your restricted mode settings. Tap on it and then just tap on Turn Off. Now, if you have forgot the passcode that you've set to enable restricted mode, what you need to do is just tap on Forgot Passcode and then tap on your selected verification option. Verify yourself with that code that's sent to your selected place. In this situation, to remove it, first you need to set a new passcode. Press Next, confirm it, and then set the passcode. Now, once again, tap on Restricted Mode. Those of you who haven't forgotten it also can follow this process to turn off, enter your passcode, and then just press Next. That's it. Your restricted mode is turned off. And that's how you can get rid of restricted mode on TikTok. Thank you for watching.